Hello, I'm going to talk about how to use the Davinci Resolve app, which is a video editing tool, and I'm going to create a new project right here. Okay, so what you usually will have here is this. You'll be shown this side of the software. So in order to switch to different places, you just have to click on either this site, the cut, the edit site, or any other site here, right here. So in order to get started with the video editing, I'm just gonna use one of my video. You drag one of your video to, and then you either, doesn't matter what you do, you can change it. It won't change much. It takes time. Okay. Now you will get a video right here, and this, you want to be at the editing site right here, because Davinci Resolve is a complicated software, editing software, but it's not that hard to use. It's one of the tools that are easy to use but hard to master because there's so much to learn here. And I'm going to show you just the basics. Now this is the editing tools, video transition, or even audio transition. Um, First, before getting started, you can drag, yeah, the video here, and what you're gonna get is the video and then the audio. So if I push, hello, today I'm going to talk about, yeah, you should hear. If I mute, I can mute the track here, and then you're not gonna hear anything. Yeah, so it's a very cool software, and you can use different video transition like the diamond iris or even the eye iris. There's a pentagon iris, there's a square iris, there's also smooth cuts, there's also the blur dissolve, there's a additive dissolve, there's a cross dissolve. So I'm gonna maybe use this one and dissolve. For some reason it's not working. I'm just gonna use the push. Let me go. Okay, you can move this little thing at the beginning. I use the middle mouse. The middle mouse, we use it. We use the middle mouse to control this thing right here. And now we can use the push. Maybe you can put it right here. Let's try this one. For some reason it's not working. Okay. Yeah, I think this is how it works. Let me try it again. Delete. You have to try on the video itself. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. There you go. Now you give you try. Yeah, it will work. Okay. And there you go. Yeah. So this is good for transition works. And this option, little option right here, will help you select different transition curves. You can use different transition curves here. You can change the value of the transition curves, or you could select which transition curve you want. And this, I think, is only one value. Okay, there you go. You can change the value here. And yeah, you can change transition here. You can also add at the end another type of transition. Maybe this transition will be useful. Or you could just move that one here. This will do a very nice transition to the ends of the video. Yeah, something like that. Now, if you want to either submit to YouTube, like I always do, you could just type the name of the video, or you could go to the location, and then from here you either upload to YouTube and you add, and of course I have to select the location. But add the render queue, it will upload, it will first, it will send the video to the queue right here, and then what you can do is to render the video, and then from here you can wait. It will take approximately maybe less than 20 minutes. In my experience, it takes a little less. Um, it takes a little less time than this one. So, and from here you will be able to upload to YouTube. Okay, that was a long video. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.